Hello friend, today we will talk about Sunflex tablet. What is Sunflex used for? How should be it taken? And what are its side effects? What is Sunflex? Sunflex contains naproxen sodium. It is a pain relief and anti-inflammatory medicine. It helps reduce pain, swelling and inflammation. Uses of Sunflex tablet: muscles pain, joints pain, back pain, arthritis, toothache, menstrual pain, and injury related pain. How to take Sunflex tablet? Take after food to protect stomach. Use as prescribed by doctor. Sworn by the water. Do not exceed recommended dose. Possible its side effects: stomach pain, heartburn, nausea, stomach bleeding, allergic reaction. Stop use and see a doctor if severe pain or black stool occurs. Precaution: avoid it if you have stomach ulcer. Use carefully in a heart, kidney, or blood pressure patient. Sunflex is effective for pain and inflammation but should be used carefully and on medical advices. Thank you.